Okay guys, there's a nice little sound clip for you at idle. Got no rattles, got no leaks. Okay guys, first little run on the car. Now, I'm just sitting here idling, top up, windows up, and I mean, heck, I'm actually kind of yelling. It's very, very quiet in the cab at idle. Now, we'll rev it up here, doors closed, windows closed, all that good stuff. Quite quiet in the cab. Not bad. Okay, let's see how she does on the road. I'm just putting down the road here in first gear. This section of road's not all that good. About 2,000 RPM, first gear. I got really tall gears. These are 273s in this car right now, so I mean, heck, you can almost get to 45, 50 miles an hour in first gear if you really wind this thing out. Really, really mild. Like it's, I don't know, like sounds like a step above stock in here in the cab. It's quite wild. Like if I was in my coupe right now doing this, I'd be yelling at you for sure. And now, granted, that car was kind of meant to be loud. I wanted it to be really loud. And this car, I want to have a nice sound to it. Just an overall nice sound, like a Mustang should have. But I don't want it to be like over the top. I mean, just the color combination of this car and everything doesn't, and I've done that, whatever, the green car's kind of like that, right? I've been there, done that, or whatever. I just want a real nice, soft Mustang sound. Okay, let's see how she sounds. Windows closed, everything's closed up here. Lovely. That was about a 4,000 RPM shift. I'm driving down the road in second gear, 2,500 RPM. Very nice. And again, convertible. Like this thing, you hear everything through it. That's a very, very nice sound. Kind of got a slight, not even really, little bit of that 2250 drone that the small block Fords are known for, but not much at all. Jeez, what a great sound. I really like that. Here's that 2,000 RPM. ever so slight drone. Just like so slight. Bit of a rough downshift, but this is 2,500, 3,000. What a great sound. Kind of a slight little, not pop, but you know, just a nice little, when you're coming off the throttle and there's some back pressure. Jeez, I really like this. This is exactly what I was looking for this car. Exactly. It's about 1,500 RPM, second gear, pulling a hill. More of a drone at a hill as you're kind of lugging it a bit and coming into it, but nothing that I don't think you'd ever get tired of that or be like, oh, that drone's awful. It's nothing. This is from a real low, like 1,000 RPM up a hill. What a nice sounding exhaust system that is. Now keep in mind, this is off-road H, you know, whatever these headers are, 1 inch and 5/8. It's just, there's nothing slowing the exhaust down from hitting those mufflers. So this is straight pipe to the muffler. I'm thoroughly impressed for what I was trying to accomplish, right? Like, this isn't rip your face off, you know, Flowmaster Super 10s. That's what I was, couldn't be further from what I was going for. I didn't want anything super loud like that. Just a nice, you know, roll into the neighborhood. Not gonna wake anybody up late at night, which it is. I think we nailed it. This is that kind of 1,900 RPM range, right where the drone starts. There's not much drone at all. Well done, MagnaFlow. It's a nice sounding muffler.